Oh, my Lanta. Hi guys, it's Unfiltered Ben reporting live from these streets. There's about 4 other videos of me trying to figure out how to turn the camera around in a video recording, which is fun, but I'm gonna spare you from that because it's 2018 and I don't need that kind of glitching in my life. It's snowing and it's really pretty, and I realize not everybody gets to feel this. So I'm just like really excited and I wanted you to just have a couple minutes with me. Oh, it's so cold. My hand is so frozen and like my boogers are really cold. So this is for people who've never felt this before. It's snowing. My boogers are so cold that I feel like I don't have boogers. It's like the boogers are a part of my nose and we're one now. It's kind of a fun feeling when you're feeling alone. We don't get palm trees, we get these trees here because it snows. Whew, that's fun. That person puts their light on when I walk by because it snows. Oh, it's so fun. Anyways, what else is new? My hand is really cold from this pop socket. Oh, do you hear that though? That's kind of fun. I'm like walking on ice. Oh, visual effects and noise. I'm gonna get a freaking Golden Globe. I'm gonna get a Webby because of these effects. Oh wow. And just, if you could see, look at, oh, the trees, they've become one with the snow, just like the boogers on the inside of my nose. That guy, he's gotta warm up his car before he can drive. That's how cold it is. Stuff's different here. It's different. We're in the tundra. I'm just a frozen girl. I'm just a frozen girl. Do you want to build a snowman? Sorry, I get excited. So snow's really fun. Snow's really fun. Everyone, spring break 2018. Instead of going south for warm, why don't you go north for snow? It's really fun. Really fun! All right. My dick froze off, so I gotta go. Bye!